burger time. Fuck that burger. Dang it. Let's go. The burger's so tasty. The heck is it? What's a tasty magnet? That guy sucks. He stole a burger from the air. He's a burger stealer. Look at the sound. Go farther.
Lucky beer. Get great acceleration for a flight.
Yeah, man. I'm actually convinced that that's just burger, fire, pooping sauce. Why had I? What does this even do? I'm not even gonna ask. Now I got the tomatoes. But the tomatoes give you flight meter. New record. Ooh, power kick. Or yeah, we get more sauce. What's up that sound? Gonna get the sausage tomatoes. Nah, this. Remember, fly. You got hit by the burger and was sent to Mars and back.
Yes, I love eating all of these humans. Wait, what is my friend doing locked up?
Yeah, I'm gonna get kicked this time. I'm gonna go for the max this time. I'm gonna go the opposite of max. Oh dang, the burger is starting to break this hungry. It's on fire now. Another new record. Yeah, I think we'll stop for that.
Tune in sometime next week for a brand new